Hello guys, and welcome once again to Savana Essence. Yep, butters and more butters. So this is a soap making week. I've been making a lot of soaps back to back on a daily basis, and I decided to record one of them, a number of them, but just this one that I recorded to post. This is, I think, a milk soap. I'm not too sure. I think it's a cow milk or goat milk soap, one of them, and I'm making a lot of them, so I'm shooting this video just to share. So I'm using the heat transfer method just to melt my oils and butters, and yeah, so please spare, don't look at my looks or anything, just look at the soap making video, okay? And like I said, it's been a long day. It's been a lot of formulations, wholesale creams and lotions, and then now to soaps. So the whole day has just been me running up and down trying to get stuff done, which I like, okay, which I like to do, but it can also get stressful. So those are the oils and butters that I just prepped. Like I said, I'm using the heat transfer method. If you want to know how to do the heat transfer method, you can tell me that in the comment section. I'll take my time one of these days and we'll just go through it together. Now I'm going to measure my liquid oils. I think this is castor oil. Yeah, so I just measured castor oil, and most of my recipes are stored in my phone and also on my computer, and so I usually like to refer to them just to be sure. Okay, based on this powder, I think this is a goat's milk soap. I think, yes, so this is a goat's milk soap, and we are going to measure the milk powder. I use 10 grams per 1 kilogram, or 10 grams per 1,000 grams of oils. And for milk powders, they are water soluble, oil soluble, so you can always dissolve them either in water or in oils. Okay, yeah. So I think I might just leave the talking and just let the music play in the background as we just go through the journey of making this simple soap. I just want to make this as simple as possible. Okay, all right. hi guys, so thank you very much for staying tuned, and sorry I couldn't speak through this. I realized that my allergies were going to be in their way, so I didn't want to be coughing and sneezing in this. But this is a simple goat milk soap. I have a simpler video on this. I'll link it up here somewhere if you wanted to kind of go through it and then use the recipe over there and then also make your own. I think that's a much more smaller batch than this, and we could all make this as well. This I think is part of my wholesale order, and yeah, so that's a simple goat milk soap. Thank you very much for watching. If you are new to this channel, you are welcome. If you are not new, welcome once again, my lovely subscribers, and kindly subscribe to this if you have not yet. Like this video and then share in the comment section what exactly you liked about this. I know I'll get people asking me, well, you didn't say anything. I'm sorry. Bye bye.